Hello, good afternoon. This is Utsav Verma from SAS Institute of Management. Okay, so I'm specialized from marketing. Okay, and my subject today is sales management. Okay, so there are some topic we are going to cover. First, let us understand what is sales management. So one definition is that the management of the personal selling part of company marketing function, like it refers to the product that company created, that has to be function through the market to the end users. Second is another definition, the process of planning, directing, controlling and personal selling, including recruiting, selecting, equiping, assigning, surprising, paying and motivating. Like it involves all the things, like from the person who is hired, from the person who is working on the lead, from the person who is doing the implementation service. Okay, so all things are here involved in that, motivating the personal sales force. So let us understand the sales management process. Okay, concept of sales management process. Sales management initially was meant to be direction of sales for personally. Later, the terms look at broader significance apart from personal selling, and term sales management includes managing and sales promotion, physical distribution, pricing, and product and merchandise. Uh, in simple concept, I just tell you what is sales management. Sales management is a part where where a sales team is assigned for a target to complete and achieve it during a given level of time. It should be a month or it should be a week. We whenever we do sales, we should have a daily analysis that what we are going to do. Okay, where we are, what is our company target. Okay, we should always think about that. Okay, and which are the methods from where we are getting the leads and all to work on it. Okay, do we are taking proper follow up. Okay, do the customer understand, and or else our team is understanding what customer wants. So there is, that saves lots of time of us. Okay, so there are some nature of sales management. So let's discuss one by one. Systematic process, persuasive function, goal oriented, continuous process, integration, marketing management, relationship selling, variant selling position. Systematic product means you have designed one systematic process which your sales team is following. Next is goal oriented. It refers to the goal oriented process that your sales team is having right now. Okay, integration, continuous process, always do a sales which is continuous. Okay, don't do anything like which is not continue. If a process is assigned, do it continually. Integration, marketing management, integrations, changes can be also made in this. Okay, next is scope of sales management. Sales planning and policy, sales forecasting, sales budgeting, designing, sales organization, size, human planning, recruitment, selection of salesperson, training and salesperson. Okay, so sales planning is always mandatory for us. Always have a sales forecast, always sales what is where our budget is going. Okay, so all things we should take care about that. Okay, scope of sales management, surveying and evaluating sales for control and sales for management of distribution challenge, branding, packaging and labeling, sales proposal after sales service. Like from the product we are providing to any customer, we should take care of all the products that we are providing to the end user. After sales service has to be given regularly. Okay, so thank you very much to watching this video. Thank you.